Okay, here's some common shells. So this is part of a whelk. This little guy right here is a bean clam, Donyx variabilis, an auger, shark eye, operculum. So that's the covering of the opening of one of these whelks. This is a channeled duck. This guy, I'm not quite sure. It's got a little bend on it, but so this is a Doncella, which I don't know if it even has a common name, but two forms of tulips or banded tulips shells. It's a lettered olive, not just an olive. This is a slipper shell. A limpet wouldn't have this. A fragile fig, which I haven't seen too many. You see parts. Here's one of our little murex. A lot better murex on the west coast. See a banded Venus. So you can see the bands going in two directions. This is a oyster. There's a couple of species. And this is a bubble, which normally get crushed. So this is a sunset Venus. We have a jingle. This is a spiny jewel box. This is certainly a type of clam. This is actually a little fighting conch. So you see these, this is not terribly mature, but they can be much bigger and more colorful. This is just called a rough or a prickly cockle. File cockle is another one. And this is a giant Atlantic cockle. They can be quite colorful. And like that. So there are definitely more things you can find. This is just what we came up with, and this is pretty much after some of the olives really are quite nice, and this is because of the storm we had recently. We're finding lots of banded tulips. So definitely looking after a storm is one of the better things you can do.